Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs with yogurt. This simple technique adds a wonderful creaminess and a subtle tang to your breakfast. You'll need just a few basic ingredients and about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started by preparing our eggs and yogurt mixture, ensuring everything is ready for cooking. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Heat your nonstick pan over a gentle medium-low heat. This lower temperature is key for achieving soft, fluffy scrambled eggs. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a small drizzle of olive oil to prevent sticking. Once the pan is ready, pour in your egg and yogurt mixture and let it begin to set. The secret to creamy scrambled eggs is gentle handling. As the eggs begin to cook, use your spatula to gently push the cooked portions from the edges towards the center of the pan. Continue this motion, folding the eggs over themselves. Avoid constant stirring, as this can make them tough. Cook until they are mostly set but still have a lovely, moist sheen. Once your scrambled eggs are mostly set and still slightly moist, remove them from the heat right away. Overcooking will make them dry, and we want that beautiful creamy texture. Transfer your delicious eggs to a plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish them with some fresh chives or a sprinkle of paprika. Now, sit back and savor your perfectly prepared, incredibly flavorful scrambled eggs with yogurt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.